Welcome back to my channel, guys. What's up? So today I'm gonna be doing this. I feel like this is more like a makeup challenge video. I'm basically going to be doing my makeup in the reverse. When I saw the suggestions for this, I was like, what? So that means the first thing I'm going to start with is my lips. Alright, so you guys know most of the times I wear gloss. So I'm gonna go in with gloss first. So I have my Black Radiance Clear Lip Gloss. And this is what I do on a regular day, like if I'm just going on the road barefaced. Yeah, I'll just apply gloss and I'll go. But that's not the case today. Alright, so, and most of the time from the other day I haven't been lining my lips or anything. I'll just wipe it off and put on clear gloss. So clear gloss it is. So the next thing I do before applying gloss is mascara. No, glow. Yeah, I believe it's glow. All right, so I'm gonna be going in with my Artist Couture Glow. Just feel like my whisper. This is weird, bruh. Well then, I look like I have very healthy, dewy skin. I'm gonna go in and do my setting spray. Oh my gosh. So I have my Mario Badescu Cucumber Water, facial spray with aloe, cucumber and green tea. Yes. Okay, I'll dab that in like I normally would. Good. I feel like I'm gonna look like a mad person when I'm done with all of this. Now, I believe I usually go in with my mascara. Wait, let me go ahead and add my mascara. Madness this. It's time for the powder, the setting powders. I'm just gonna set it as if we applied concealer already. But what my skin, it may feel like it would look like, I thought it would be like weird looking. Alright. I'm going to balance out the rest of my face with my Milani Warm 109 powder. Well, this part is normal because I don't usually apply any product beneath the Milani. This part is normal for me. I feel so weird. My brows not done. Never no concealer. Now that I'm do the powder, it's time to go in with the concealer. Boy, I feel weird. It is like hard to blend because it's grabbing on to the powder that I applied. But it's blending out. It's blending out. I'm working it. The fact that I'm not going to even get to set this. See me I blend for dear life. So the thing they look like I'm a man. I'm basically canceling out everything that I did previously. Like I beat out my fire to make this blend like. But you know, I'm not gonna lie, you know. I expected it could have been worse because I thought like, I don't know, probably because I put a little extra effort into blending this out. It doesn't look super crazy. I usually just do my brows. Okay, wait. No, wait, you know what I should have done? Eyeshadow. Wait, no. Eyeshadow is before concealer, so. Concealer, then eyeshadow? No. No. Yes, in some cases I do the eyeshadow before the concealer, so I can go in and do the eyeshadow now, right? Right. But the thing is, I'm going to have to do the eyeshadow in the reverse. Okay, so we're going to be doing two lid colors. Am I doing it right? yeah, it can work either way, either before concealer or after concealer. So I'm going to do some eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking the Jamrock palette, my makeup, playing in Makeup by Yolanda Jamrock Rebirth palette. What I'm going to do is my lid color first. Usually I blend out the crease and do all of that first. So for the lid, I think I'm going to just take some yellow. No, use that olive. No, let me use there. It's a green or a gue. Guys, if you are Yadi, if you Jamaican, you definitely understand these terms. So gue is like a lavender color, like, you know, this right here. It's kind of showing up a bit washed out. Gue mean like, you know, leave me alone, go away, basically. Go away, gue. You know, that's what gue means. You know, so all right, we're going to take this and we're going to put it on the lid area first. This is so pretty. This is a gorgeous color. So I'm just gonna work this all over the lid. Hear me, I go like say a good tutorial. Like say no madness me I do. These colors, I must say, they're so pigmented. It is just amazing. But look at me doing eyeshadows before even brows. I look editorial right now. You know, I could just be done like this. I could, no? All right. So, all right, now I want to go in with some brown. Yeah, I'll do red. All right, sell off where I used for the one here. This one right here. And sell off just mean it's basically it's lit, you know. It's a vibe. I'm gonna take my time and work this in. This look mad, man. And yo, you know, guys, when I was learning to do my makeup, when I just started to, like, you know, do eyeshadow and stuff, it would only be colors, natural wear. And to me, for some reason I would think it's, you know, natural. Foolishness, yeah. Complete foolishness. Bare foolishness me used to do when I just that. But hey, it's a process. It is a process. Browning, you know, hear me, they call you. Wait, hold on. I have it so wrong. Gosh. You know what I did for my eyelash first? And my eyelash, me do no, I can't believe I'm forget that. But the eyelashes are part of the eye look. Alright, just to catch back myself a little bit, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to put on the lashes from now and then I'll go in with liner, because usually you go in with liner after and then you go in with lashes, right? Or I put on mascara already from way out. Well, yeah, then I'm done with eyeshadow for right now. I'm done. Alright, I'm gonna take my number 7 lashes from the White Diamond Lash Company. Alright, cool. So I'm done with applying my lashes, so it's time for liner. I'm just gonna use some of my black Radiant eye pencil. Oh yeah, and I'm happy I did the eyeshadow after, because usually if I'm gonna do like colored eyeshadow, I try to do that before my concealer. So I mean, if I'm doing something simple, then I'll do it after. And this was color, so you know, my eyelash actually needs some mascara, and it's going to look crazy because then because eyeshadow fallout got on the eyelash, it looks white beneath the falsies. So I'm going to just do my eyebrows. Yes, we're finally at the eyebrow portion. So in the reverse, I would definitely do my concealer first. But not like my eyebrows look good. My eyes look crazy. My skin is a mess. My eyes are even worse. Oh wait, Then I'm even for tell me say, I really have to go put on primer, because primer the very first thing. Well, actually, in some cases, and in some cases, it's after the eyebrow. I have to put on the primer. Oh my gosh! Look! Oh my gosh! It is oh wow! Oh, it's flaking. All right, cool. Now I look. It's white around. Okay, all right. You know what? Cool. That was the final step. That was usually the first thing I'll do. Sometimes I'll do it after my brow. All right, cool. So that's the last thing. That's the last step for this challenge video. I'm gonna say it's a challenge video because, yeah. On no other day you'll catch me doing my makeup in the reverse. Definitely not. This is crazy. I look crazy. The best looking thing on my face right now is my brows. That's the best looking thing. Everything else is a hot mess. A hot mess. The lashes are applied. And let's not even talk about that. But it was fun. It was fun. Definitely an eye opener that you should never do your makeup in the reverse. Yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up and suggest other videos down below in the description, in the comment section. It doesn't have to be makeup related. If you haven't checked out my vlog channels yet, please go ahead and do so. Petite-Sue TV, see what's up, what's going on in the Jamaican lifestyle. And if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. I upload quite frequently over here. So that's it for today. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and make up on yourself.